Hey there, fellow learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into easy-to-digest info. Today, we're tackling something super relevant for anyone in the HVAC, automotive, or environmental tech fields. What can you do with a universal EPA certification in 2025? Let's jump right in. First off, the Universal EPA certification, issued by the Environmental Protection Agency, is your golden ticket to handling refrigerants safely and legally. This cert covers everything from air conditioning units to refrigeration systems, and it's more important than ever with upcoming 2025 regulations aimed at reducing environmental impact. So, what exactly can you do with it? Well, once certified, you can work on a wide range of systems. Think installing, maintaining, and repairing HVAC systems in homes and buildings. You'll also be qualified to handle automotive air conditioning, which is a booming field as electric vehicles rise in popularity. Plus, in commercial settings, you could manage large-scale refrigeration units in supermarkets or data centers. Looking ahead to 2025, the EPA is tightening rules on refrigerants with higher global warming potential. That means certified pros will be in even higher demand for transitioning to eco-friendly alternatives like low GWP gases. This certification opens doors to specialized jobs, such as energy auditors or sustainability consultants, where you could help businesses comply with new environmental standards. The best part? Holding this cert can boost your earning potential by 20 to 30%, according to industry reports. It's not just about the money, it's about making a real difference in protecting the planet while building a stable career. If you're thinking about getting certified, start by checking out EPA resources or enrolling in a quick training course. It's an investment that pays off big time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.